Would you like to read the bed?
I'm gonna fly faster.
Did. You guys were kind of thinking that it was a good idea to joust me into trying to pursue him, right? I could see.
Okay,
you guys
well, that was not me. We're two different people, sir.
Yeah?
I am legal, as you can see.
I see that. I don't know who your buddy is, but you might want to have a word with him, because that's the stupidest thing I've ever seen anybody do on a motorcycle. I ride a bike.
Well, he's not my buddy.
He's not your friend? You were sitting there talking to him.
Dude, because we're
Have you got
bikers.
a driver's license, registration, insurance for this bike?
Sir, I swear,
Okay.
I was just on my way home to get it.
So you don't have it on you?
No, I was just on my way home to get it.
You don't have
I swear to God, like, you can follow me home. Let's go.
Okay, well, do you own this bike?
Yes, of course.
Okay, so take off your helmet for a second. Let me see your face.
Oh, that's so much work.
See them bikes? You want to go get them?
Yeah. 24-3, shoot.
Luz rota, es un problema de ustedes. Ella el loco no sabía, viste, que él andaba con eso, porque él andaba en el carro así. Mira, mira, el señor está nervioso. Mira, mira, nervioso, míralo. Pecaron en el bloque. El bloque perro, pecaron ellos. ¡Ay, ay, 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 ay!
Like, always. Oh. Hell no! Damn. There we have them. I have to end it with this beautiful looking thing here. Like, look at the sky. Come on, we got the chase. End it with the nice view, you know, and yeah.